All right, y'all, back with another one today. Today we got a 1970 Cadillac Eldorado. This is your first time here. We take you all around the car, exterior, interior, raise up the rack, show underneath, and we take you on a test drive. We try to show the car as best as we can. Obviously, we're going to miss some stuff. If you are interested, you'll give us a call, 256-801-4409, and we can FaceTime on it. So, again, we got a 70 Eldorado here. This vehicle is here on consignment, so like I said, we'll point out what we can. First thing you'll notice, obviously black, giving you that Batmobile look, beautiful red interior. This car is going to need paint, so you'll see some things in the video. I've already pointed out it needs paint. You can see right there, you got some oxidation. We're gonna move around, make sure the body's nice and solid, but I'm not gonna point out every single paint chip and issue in the paint, because again, it will need paint if you want it to be a perfect car. Right now, it's a driver's quality vehicle. Rag top is in good condition. I see no bubbling, no splits at the seams. Got a little bit of discoloration back here. All chrome appears to be intact on the vehicle. No major dents or anything to point out. Let me get around this rack. As we come down this passenger side, body looks pretty solid. Don't have any waves or anything. No cracks in the glass. Bumper looks good from the top. We'll check it out underneath once it's on the rack. One thing that I love about these Eldorados, I love the third brake light being integrated into the gas cap cover. Super dope feature in my opinion. Down the driver's side, looks pretty solid. And again, top is in nice condition. We'll keep on rolling. I didn't see any major dents or anything, so it almost seems like body work might be minimal when it comes to painting the car. And again, if you deal with classics, you know the worst thing about these cars is finding all the exterior pieces, all these trims, the cladding. This is all intact. Windshield looks solid. I have no cracks or rock chips there. Let me come to the front of the vehicle. Bumper looks great up here too. Chrome looks bright. Trim rings around the headlights intact and nothing missing on the grill. So looks pretty solid. And the hood seems to be properly aligned. See if I can get this open with one hand. Underneath, you got the, what is this? I think it's a 500 if I'm not mistaken. So 500, it's AC equipped, power brakes, power steering. It's got an aluminum radiator and electric fans. New alternator. We're gonna check it on the test drive, obviously, to make sure everything's solid. Let me grab the keys and we will check out. Get my watch off. Obviously, monstrous trunk. Probably fit like 4 golf bags in here. We'll check it out underneath to make sure, you know, pans and frame is nice and solid. But all OG in here looks clean. Weather seal, it actually looks great. I'm gonna be surprised if that wasn't replaced at some point in time. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Beautiful red interior. Checking out the rear seats. Rear seats look good. I don't have any rips or tears. Headliner looks solid. Carpet is pulled up right here. I don't see any issues with it. I just don't know if they replaced it and didn't stick it under the rear seat, but no issues there. Passenger seat, you got your normal wear and tear, but I don't see any splits or any holes. And here's our door panel. No warping here, no cracks, so it looks pretty solid. And surprisingly, our jams actually look good as well. Dash does have a crack right there. No warping though. Let me get to the driver's side. Driver side door panels, looks good. Again, no cracks, no warping. We'll check the windows and that on the test drive. Again, our jambs do look good. I don't see any rust there. This seat does have a split right here, plus the normal wear on the passenger. Give me a second, we'll knock this test drive out. All right, y'all, so this does have a kill switch on it. It's got a little bit of a battery draw, but it's got a kill switch on it. So I'm gonna just drop this in there. Make sure I get this lined up right, and bam. Turn it. Fire up. I'm gonna let her go for a second. Get my seatbelt on. Put you down for 1 second. Sorry about that. All right, we're gonna let her roll a little bit. Left turn, right turn, horn. Lights are on, I can see there, and that car in the front. AC is blowing. Not gonna say it's ice cold, but it is cold. Rear windows. Front window. This one is a little bit stiff. We'll check that just to be on the safe side. But I think it's stiff in the rubber because it's getting stuck right there. But we'll make sure that works. What else we got? Tilt, we're good there. No reason to worry about that. Tilt that down. And wipers good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this air off. Let's check the radio. And radio works and actually sounds crisp. All right. Oh, let me see. Door locks work as well. And I hear the power seat. Oh, it is tilting forward. Not going back and forth though. So mileage reads 98,118. It felt like I'm sitting all the way back in this thing. And he just moved this cable. Let me try and get around this. There we go. I just realized, I think this video is gonna be turned the weird. Yep, it is. I can tell, so I just have to edit that, but whatever. Steering feels a little bit tight on here, which I like personally. I'm just used to Cadillacs being super, you know, on the softer side, looser side, shall we say. Motor sounds good. I don't hear any belt squeal, nothing that sounds like maybe an exhaust leak or anything. Manifold leak sounds pretty good. Brakes are definitely on the touchy side. I barely touched that boy, and it was about to put me through the windshield. Tank is reading a quarter tank. I am going to assume it's accurate because when I was on that hill, it dropped all the way down. But you guys know how I feel about that. You never know. Alignment feels solid. My hands are off the wheel and she's tracking straight. I'm hitting the brakes and she's not pulling one way or another. So we're good there. Brakes feel regular, nothing special. Suspension is always going to be a little bit on the softer side on these 70s Cadillacs, especially these Eldorados. Windows are not shaking or anything there. And like I said, I really don't have that much play in the steering wheel. So pretty solid. Almost makes me think this gearbox has been gone through, but not 100% sure. Speedometer is working as well. You guys can see that. Oh, I just noticed too, it is 12:23. Time is not accurate, but the clock is working. So I see the second hand moving. Always dope when those work. So yeah, pretty straightforward, simple car. Like I said, very solid. Underneath was clean. Driving firsthand, I don't have anything really to point out. So let's get her back. All right, got the Eldorado up on the rack. Again, front bumper looks pretty good. It could use a little bit of a polish, but I don't have any peeling or anything. Coming down the front of the car, it actually looks solid in the front. I got no signs of leak from the oil or trans pan. Very, very clean up here. Disc brakes up in the front. Looks like a new starter at some point in time. We can go down this driver's side first. Frame is nice and straight. And honestly, our floors look phenomenal. I'm not sure if this is factory undercoating or not. Go down the passenger side. Frame's nice and straight. We got some new fuel lines here, obviously. Again, pans look phenomenal. Very, very clean under here. Exhaust appears to be original. Drums in the rear. Looks like them shocks have been replaced at some point in time. This thing is super clean under here, honestly. No signs of leak from the gas tank. So outside of the exhaust, underneath is super clean. Here's our our rear bumper. Again, no rust or pitting, so we're good there. Coming down this driver's side, cladding intact. Tires appear to be newer. All trim and cladding intact underneath here. And our wheel wells look solid. Let me get on over here to the passenger side. Like I said, minus the paint, this is a super, super solid car for sure.